Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started learning about data analysis expressions and got an idea about calculated tables, calculated columns, and measures. In this video, we will talk about DAX syntax. We will first quickly review the components of DAX, then explore its syntax, and finally go through different operators available in DAX. Let's get started. Data analysis expressions has a few key components. They are functions. Functions are basically predefined formulas like sum, average, min, max, etc. Operators. Operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, and ampersand operator for performing calculations or text operations. Data types includes numeric, text, or boolean, etc. Context is the environment in which the calculation happens, like row context or filter context. Values and references are literal values such as numbers or text, and references to columns, measures, or expressions. These components together are the building blocks of any DAX expression. Now, let's talk about the syntax of DAX. A DAX formula always begins with an equal sign, as shown here. It is followed by a function, operator, or expression. Inside the function, we pass arguments. These can be column, names, measures, values, or even other functions. For example, total sales equals sum, sales revenue. Here, sum is the function and sales revenue is the table and column reference. The best practices while using data analysis expressions are: always use clear and consistent naming for tables, columns, and measures. Add comments wherever necessary to document your logic. Optimize formulas for performance, especially in large datasets. Avoid redundant or unnecessary data in your model. This makes your DAX formulas easier to read, understand, and maintain. We also have a variety of operators in DAX, which are symbols or keywords used to perform operations in our formulas. Let's look at them one by one. The first one is arithmetic operators. It includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponent. Think of these just like the operators you already use in Excel. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. They return true or false. It includes equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. They are useful when you want to apply logic or create categories based on the data. Text concatenation operator is used to join two or more text strings. Think of it as a glue for combining text. Logical operators are used for logical conditions. They include and, or, and not operators. These works like yes and no conditions inside the formulas. Membership operators are used to check if a value belongs to a list or not. It includes in and not in. It saves time when checking multiple values instead of writing many or conditions. And that's it. In the next video, we will explore DAX functions in Power BI, how to use them, and how they can simplify complex calculations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.